Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing your Fitbit device from your Fitbit account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You will need the Fitbit app in order to do this. Launch the Fitbit app and make sure you are logged into your account and your Fitbit is connected. Tap your profile image at the top left of the screen and then select your Fitbit from the list of devices on your account. On the device page here, you can simply tap the trash icon at the top right of the screen. Select UnPair from the pop-up that appears. Your Fitbit device has successfully been removed from your Fitbit account. That Fitbit can now be used on someone else's account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fitbit tips and tricks.